In today's video, I'm going to explain how to navigate in hidden mode on LinkedIn. In fact, I'm going to show you how to do it in two different ways. The conventional way and the alternative way with a very practical trick. I'm Xavier Mitjana, and you are on Build Your Brand. Is it really worth activating the incognito mode on LinkedIn? My opinion is that, as a usual setting, no. LinkedIn is a social network that we work in order that our activity help us achieve our goals. And part of our activity can be to explore other users, to get to know them, to identify potential collaborators, potential clients, potential opportunities to find work. And the fact that they see us should always be something that adds value to our strategy. So, my opinion is that the most advisable thing to do is not to navigate in incognito mode. However, there are specific situations, such as wanting to see the profile of an user that for some reason we do not want them to know that we have seen their profile, in which it is worth activating this function. So the next thing I'm going to do is explain to you how it's done. I'm going to explain it in the conventional way. And I'm also going to give you an additional trick so you can turn it on and off faster. Let's go! Activating the hidden mode is very simple. All we have to do is this. In our profile, go, in the top menu, to the part where it says, Me. Find in the menu the option, Settings and Privacy. And once we are there, in the left menu, in the left column, click on the option, Visibility. Now we see the profile display options. If we enter here, we see that there are three options. Navigate in a public mode, navigate in a private mode, and navigate in a 100% anonymous mode. Switching between one option or another is as simple as selecting it, and it is automatically updated. If you now start browsing LinkedIn, you will see that you are already browsing in 100% private mode. This is the first method to enable and disable incognito mode. If you foresee that you are going to use it often or that you will have to activate and deactivate this option for many times, now I am going to explain another way to activate it, much simpler and more practical. By the way, however who enters your profile, whether in incognito mode or not, what I advise you is that your LinkedIn profile looks as it deserves. So, if you don't have it optimized yet, you can optimize it in an easy and practical way thanks to the free guide to optimize your LinkedIn profile in 10 steps that you can download for free in the link you will find in the description. Through the Incognito Chrome extension. This extension allows us to enable and disable incognito mode from the LinkedIn bar at any time, without having to access any menu or any specific part of the LinkedIn settings. A very simple to use extension, very light and works very well for its purpose, enable and disable incognito mode.